What is up, guys? Welcome back. Check it out. We got the TrapBlazer back here, and look, we have some spring-like weather, guys. So you know we're working on the TrapBlazer's audio. We're gonna flip this around and I'll show you what I got going on, guys. Check it out. Back here so far, guys, we got the two sundowns. We inverted them. The box is a little small, I think, for them. I like the way they sound outside the box a little better, and it gives them a little more room inside the box. We're still running our budget gems, one on each sub at 2 ohms, and we're getting ready to install these things right here. For now, we may upgrade these later to something else, but for now, guys, we're going to put these in. Let's see, let's take this grill off so you can see it. It's a 4-way full range speaker from Boss Audio. It says they're 300 watts a pair. I think you'd smoke them way before you get to that, but we're not going to run that much power to them, guys. We're going to put all 4 of these in the doors. We have some boom mats, so we're going to see how these things work for us. We tried them in the Charger. They worked out pretty good for us in the Charger, so we're going to see how they work out for us in the TrapBlazer, guys. But we're going to put them on this amp, and you guys all know that this is a budget gem. I'm not sure if I'm going to run them on 2 ohms on 2 channels, or if I'm going to run them 4 ohms on 4 channels. I haven't decided yet, but I can always switch them here real easy. Just rub the wires together, the back channels to the fronts, I guess, or vice versa, either way. But anyway, guys, if you haven't seen these amps, these things are great. I got this one at AutoZone for right about $100, and it's been in all 3 TrapBlazers. You know, it's going back in this one, so you know, it does real good for us, guys. Real good. I have 2 of these, and they do real good. We're going to add in our Dayton Audio DSP. You know, we got 4 in, but we're only going to use 2 from the head deck, so we can still play music from it. And I'll show you that, guys, in a second, and why we're not really going to be using the head deck. We have the Bluetooth dongle that plugs in there, so we're going to be running straight from our Android tablet into the Bluetooth audio. But we're still going to use 2 of these RCAs from the head deck, so the head deck's still usable. And we're going to use 2 of these outs per subwoofer, and then 2 of them out, or probably all 4 of them out, for our 4-channel amp, guys. So we'll get that in. I think we have a heads-up display and a dash camera we're putting in too. But let's check out the head unit, guys, what we're working with up here. I got these door panels. They need to come off. You know, we're going to be running it off our Android tablet here. Let's see if I can get the screen come on. This is just a regular Android tablet, guys. This is an Android, I don't know what the hell it is. It come right off the shelf at Walmart. We just have it magnetic clipped right here, and we're going to Bluetooth. Well, I was Bluetoothing into this because this is still connected to the door speakers, but this is a Boss Audio BV96. Let's see if we can get in here. 9695B. So far it's done so good, guys. It has a lot of outputs and camera inputs and AV stuff in it, and it changes colors. So it's kind of cool. It's neat to leave in there, but we're going to be bypassing that most of the time and going directly from the Bluetooth in here straight to the Bluetooth in the Dayton Audio, and then that signal will come out into the 3 amps that we have, guys. And I do plan on getting 2 more of these Sundown 12s. I'm not sure if we're going to go with 2 more of these budget gem amps, or if we're just going to pick up a Sundown like 2.5 or 3K or something. And you know, like I said, later we may upgrade these too. Honestly, I would like to upgrade these with the Sundowns, a set of Sundowns, and get the 4-channel Sundown to go with it, and run all Sundown stuff. I'm not really a fanboy, but I do like the way it sounds. And I know these aren't like the largest subs. These are the E12 V4s. They sound good. They're entry level. They bang plenty hard. They're gonna bang this truck as hard as I need to bang, and they're gonna sound great doing it. And I don't think these amps are gonna overpower these anytime soon, so you know, we should be good to go. But I didn't find a review anywhere on YouTube for these. These are the Boss Audio BE 65.4 6.5 inch 4 ohm 4-way full range speaker. This is what we're going to be using, guys. So we're going to check them out and see how they do. And like I said, we're going to pair them here with the boom mat speaker baffles, if they'll go in. Oh wow, they've got a sticker on the back side too. Let's check it out. Must have for any speaker install. Mount speaker and baffle to supercharge your speakers. Well, guys, we're going to see if they really supercharge them or not. We're going to see. But like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to do 2 ohm or 4 ohm on these. But we're going to get it in, guys, and get it figured out. And we'll be back. All right, guys, check it out. We got the speakers in. We got the baffles in. No amp yet. This is just off the head deck. We got a couple dash speakers and some tweeters I think we're gonna add in, but not too bad for just the head deck. I got the subs off on this, guys. It's just these. Not too bad. We haven't added the DSP and the amp yet, guys. Take a look. Speaker wire's still there. Amp's still there. DSP's in there. It's coming. All right, guys. We'll be back in just a little bit. Then we're gonna check the rest of this out.
I'll never forget the way you feel right now. No, no way. And I would do anything for love.
Okay, now let me real. I know you feel some type of way. I know you do. When I get the bite, know her if she make that Tyson face. Don't look like that. I got down to my knee, thankful for life today. Thank you, Lord. No naps and slum sleep. I believe.
Stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.
I'll pull up at your mama house, banks not. Two-stepping when I count the check. These niggas better show respect. Hey, 580 beating up the lane. See the big yellow gold sitting with a chain. Nigga, this some old school, too short slap. Son of yay, nigga tryna bring the mind back. Fuck the silent man, my nigga got a clothing line. I'ma break bread with him every time. It's that motherfucking hog
Just
shit.
that motherfucking hog shit.
Nigga, pull up on that dog shit.
Pull up on that dog
And
shit.
you know I got that loud bag.
You know I got that loud
Now I ain't
man.
looking for no zigzag.
I ain't looking for it.
Chef Smelly got a special on them crab fries.
Extravaganza.
That's the go, cross the bridge to the city lines.
Bananas.
Homie Paul from the cellar and the fur guy.
The soil.
You know we walking in on a head nod.
Oil.
Let the shit get icy, it's a light show. I can hit these corners with a blindfold. Nigga, this that 40 water. 40 click shit. Hard headed, and you know he.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.